To sit comfortably while giving a seated massage, we recommend stacking some pillows that you can sit on. Using pillows reduces pressure when sitting on the knees. Experiment with different numbers of pillows to find what works best for you. Another excellent option is to use a meditation pillow. The person receiving the massage can sit in a lotus position. If that's not possible due to mobility issues, you can also use a chair. When using a chair, it's often most comfortable if you stand behind it. However, be mindful of excessive bending, especially when the chair is too low. The basic technique used for the seated position is the same as what we applied in the prone position. However, in this position, we can't include the lower back, and we stop at the bottom of the shoulders. The seated position is ideal for focusing on the often tight and overworked neck and shoulder muscles, which will be the main focus in this part of the course.